What is going on? Is I am back with another one, and today we have the airmax Terrascape Plus. And the reason why I bought this one specifically is because of the colorway, man. I'm not gonna lie, I love green on a sneaker, and when I saw this I had to buy. Now this just, when I first saw these sneakers on the website, I literally thought that there was no swoosh on the sides, right? And now that I see them in hand, I can see that there is a swoosh, but it's sort of like hidden away. And yeah, I mean, you know, at the front I thought the purple was like a bit of a flame coming out, but then it's part of the swoosh. But yeah, I mean, here are the sneakers themselves, and they look just as nice as I thought they would. The materials, I mean, you're not gonna find anything leather on this. It's all mesh, sort of like a plasticky material. And then you also have this fabric at the front. I know it's part of the move to zero pack, but the air bubble, the air unit on the back just feels a bit cheap, and I don't know why. But the rest of the sneaker, man, the materials just feel very, very high quality. Nothing feels cheap on this besides the air bubbles. Just everywhere you touch just feels quality. It feels very well put together. I don't see any problems with these sneakers, and the colorway looks brilliant. Like I saw in the pictures, I never knew purple and green would go well together, but hey, there you go. I'm just not a fan of the midsoles and the outsoles on the move to zero packs, because it literally does look like, and it is obviously, a recycled material. I just don't like the look of it, if I'm gonna be honest. But the sneaker itself, man, I mean, I think it looks fantastic. There is a bit of a problem with these sneakers, and that's to do with sizing, which I will share with you in just a minute. But for now, man, I mean, look at this sneaker, bro. I mean, look, appreciate the design of it. It is a little bit overpriced for me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. You know, sitting at £165. I can already tell you that there are loads of other options for you. There's loads of other sneakers that you can buy for just £20 more. I know I make it sound like it's not a lot of money, but trust me, man, if you're gonna spend this much money, there are loads of other sneakers that you can get. It's like the Yeezys for £180 RRP. So just make sure you consider that, man. I mean, it's not a cheap pair of sneakers by any means. You know, they do look nice, obviously, but you gotta consider the price as well. It's not always about the looks. You know, you have Air Max 90s at £135. I mean, everything has been very expensive recently, and the prices are going up, I can already tell. But like I said, man, I mean, before you consider splashing out on a sneaker like this, always consider other options. And I can personally tell you that there are loads and loads of other sneakers that you can literally choose instead of this one. But again, I'm telling you again, if you like this one, if you love the look of it, if you like the design, definitely try them out. Go to a store, because I think they will have them in many shops like JD or anywhere else you go. And try them out first, man. Try them out before you splash out. Anyways, guys, let's carry on with the on feet. Now on feet, I just want to say first of all that these are comfortable. All right, comfort aside, sizing is a big problem on these. Okay, because I went through to size and I instantly regretted it the second I put them on my feet. Just look at them, man. Look at the laces. Extremely short for this pair of sneaker. For my feet as well, I think they're extremely short. Yes, I should have gone one lace hole down, but I'm telling you, these are extremely tight on feet. If you go true to size, they're literally hitting the sides. Even at the toe box, I have no more space. If you're gonna go for these, I would highly recommend you go at least half a size up. If not, go with full size up, man. I mean, try both. And if you have the option of going to a store, like I just mentioned, try both. Half a size up is gonna feel normal, I think, on these. And if you like the roomier feel, I would even consider going a full size up. And I'm gonna do that myself. I'm gonna return these for a full size up, and I'm gonna buy another pair that's half a size up, just to see the difference. It is not the right fit for me. You know, I went through the size and they're extremely tight. And whilst I was doing this review, man, I was just waiting to remove the shoes. You know, I just couldn't bear it anymore. Just became very uncomfortable at one point. With my 95s, I always go half a size up, just because I like the roomier feel. But I've also tried the 95s in true to size, and they weren't as uncomfortable as these are. I can tell you now. I mean, don't get me wrong. I already mentioned this in the beginning. These, if I had them in the right size, these are very comfortable pair of sneakers. I can already tell, just stepping on them, just walking in them. And they give you that bit of a height boost as well, man. I mean, if that's something that you're into, consider it, man. I mean, yeah. It's just a fantastic pair of sneakers, man. I mean, like a everyday sneaker to me. The material is not gonna go crazy on you. You know, it's not like a suede. It's not like leather. It's gonna crease. You got this mesh fabric, black mesh fabric, with a dark green sort of like plastic materials. The only thing I would watch out for is a mud guard, and it's a fucking mud guard, man. Why would you put that at the front? Put it on the back of the shoe. That would make more sense, you know, like on the back tab. Oh my god, there's certain things, man, I just don't understand. I mean, we can't skip this review without doing the crease test, no matter what the shoe is. You already know, man. You already know the answer. They're not gonna get creased. They'll be perfectly fine. You're perfectly safe with them. The fabric is solid. The material is solid. The only thing I would watch out for is the mud guard again. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's it for today. That's my take on the Terrascape Plus. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing, because it does help out. And I will see you bitches on the next one.